mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Wow, Dawn Bell ranked number 7 mula sa number 9 sa Co. Indeed, a A-list star ng Ignacia. Pasok pa rin itong ating Donnie at Belle o Dawn Bell sa top 10 ng Co's Kapamilya A-list star of 2025. Kung matatandaan ay nasa number 9 nga itong ating Dawn Bell noong year 2024 at ngayon naman ay naging number 7 na itong ating Dawn Bell. Makikita dito na ipinost nga ng Co ang mga achievement nga ng ating Dawn Bell. Ayon dito, for 2025 records, Belle gained almost 240k new followers on IG, standing at 3.84 million followers. Donnie gained almost 420k new followers on IG, standing at 4.2 million followers. Biggest endorsement ni Belle such as Jollibee, Close Up, BDO, and many more. Biggest endorsement ni Donnie such as Biogenic, Century Tuna, Est West Bank, and many more. Main leads of one of View's most watched series and becoming a high-rated series on Free TV, ang How to Spot a Red Flag ng Dawn Bell. Belle for outstanding performance for currently the highest grossing Filipino film of 2025, ang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Donnie for being one of the lead of currently top Kapamilya Serye Roja, which debuted number 1 on Netflix Philippines. Named Prince and Princess of Philippine Entertainment at the 53rd Guillermo Mendoza Box Office Entertainment Awards. Honored as Makabata Stars at the 2025 Anak TV Awards for embodying values suitable as a role model for Filipino youth. At ang panghuli, Dawn Bell inducted into the BP Choice Awards Hall of Fame for Love Team of the Year and Fandom of the Year. Indeed, an achievements nga ito para sa ating Dawn Bell sa taong 2025 at looking forward na nga ang lahat ng taga-suporta ng Dawn Bell sa taong 2026. Yan lang muna ang pa-update natin ngayon mga kababli. Stay tuned for more Dawn Bell updates. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.